Good morning, folks. My name is Nolan Regan, and today we're going to be going over creating custom notifications and geofences within your Case IH FieldOps account. Once we're logged into the account, we're going to come over here to the gear icon, and that is going to take us to the Setup tab. Next, we'll come up to the Equipment tab and come down to Custom Notifications. Once inside of Custom Notifications, we're going to come to the bottom right corner and click on the plus sign. Once this is loaded up, I today am going to create two custom notifications, one for the fuel level of the machine and one for the diesel exhaust fluid level of the machine. I am going to name this first notification Fuel Level Low. We're going to select the machine we wish to apply this to, and we're going to select a machine parameter for this. Come over here, and this will allow us to select the fuel level. We're going to then select below, and I'm going to label this at 10%. Next, we come down here to notification preferences. If we have the Case IH FieldOps mobile app installed on our phone, it will send a notification that way. If we select email, it will go ahead and send an email to the email listed here. And if text message, it will send a text message to the phone number listed here. I'm going to go ahead and click on SMS text, and I'm going to hit save and add another. Next, we're going to name this Def Level Low. Again, selecting this unit here, coming to machine parameters, and dropping down to the def level. Again, I want this to show up below 10% def level, and again, sending a text message. We will then hit save. Alright, now we're going to go over setting up geofences. Under the same equipment tab, we'll come over to the geofences selection. Next, we'll head to the bottom right corner and click on the plus sign. This geofence I am going to label the main shop machine storage. If we wanted to create this boundary to be a field that we farm, we would then click on this Use Existing Field Boundary selection. I am not going to do that. I'm going to draw one to label where my machines are stored. Come in here, and quickly we can hand draw our machine storage shed and hit done. We'll then hit save. Next, we're going to come back into custom notifications, and we're going to hit this plus icon here, and we're going to create a geofence for this Magnum tractor, and we are going to name it Unit Has Left Main Shop. Again, we're going to come down here. We need to select our main shop storage as our geofence, and you could either select on enter or on exit. I am going to leave this as on exit, and again, for my notification preference, I am going to select text message. We will then click on save here. Creating these two custom notifications, the fuel level low and the def level low, could be quite useful to a dedicated support person for a farming operation that would then receive notifications when the machines are getting low on fuel or diesel exhaust fluid to know that he needs to then hook up to the fuel trailer and head over to those machines to keep them operating normally. However, custom notifications are not just limited to certain parameters such as this. They can also be used to monitor work statuses, and if used in conjunction with geofences, we can then create a situation where we are sending notifications via email to a farm manager who will then get exact timestamps as to when machines pull into fields and begin working. This could be quite useful for keeping exact timestamps of when certain fields are planted and when certain fields are harvested. For more information over the Case IH FieldOps account, please feel free to reach out to your local Berkey's Farm Store to speak to your precision farming specialist.